In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to associate assets and content with a campaign in HubSpot, step by step. If you're running marketing campaigns and want accurate reporting, proper tracking, and everything organized in one place, this is something you absolutely need to know. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add assets to a campaign and also associate marketing content like emails directly to it. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and marketing tips. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to your main dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top navigation menu. From there, click on Campaigns. This will take you to your campaigns dashboard where you can see all the campaigns you've already created. Now, click on the specific campaign that you want to add assets to. This will open the campaign details page where you can track performance, manage assets, and view associated content. Inside the campaign view, click on the Assets tab. This section shows everything currently associated with your campaign, including marketing assets like landing pages, emails, ads, workflows, and more. Next, click on the Actions button. From the drop-down menu, select Add Assets. HubSpot will now display a list of available assets that you can associate with this campaign. Browse through the list and select the asset you want to add. This could be a landing page, form, workflow, blog post, or any other supported marketing asset. Once you've selected the asset or multiple assets, click Save. As soon as you save, those assets will now be officially associated with your campaign, allowing HubSpot to track their performance as part of your overall campaign analytics. Now let's move on to associating content, such as an email, with your campaign. This part is just as important because if your email isn't linked to the campaign, its performance data won't roll up into your campaign reporting. From the main navigation, go to the specific content tool you want to use. In this example, we'll use Email. Click on Email to open your list of marketing emails. Find and click on the email you want to associate with your campaign. Once the email editor opens, look for the Settings tab. Click on Settings to access the configuration options for that email. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see a campaign drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and choose the campaign you want this email to be associated with. Make sure you select the correct campaign so your reporting stays accurate. After selecting the campaign, click Save. Once saved, this email is now officially connected to your campaign, and its engagement metrics like opens, clicks, and conversions will be reflected in your campaign performance data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to associate assets and content with a campaign in HubSpot. This process ensures better tracking, cleaner reporting, and more organized marketing management across your entire HubSpot account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another HubSpot tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.